Hi, it's amazing what you can learn from a cow. Watch this very short video and it will really prove the creation story. And it will also at the end show you how you can get one of those cows yourself. My friend Tom showed me this picture a few months ago. I first didn't notice it, but look at the cow. Do you notice that the cow has a world map on his body? It's pretty neat, isn't it? But now here comes the question. Do you believe that this cow exists? I personally don't. The probability of this is so low that it's practically impossible. This is photoshopped. We all know that. Now, besides it being a neat picture, what does that teach us? We all know that this picture was designed by someone who had a certain level of intelligence. It didn't come out randomly. So that's the outside of the cow. Now think about the inside of the cow. It's far, far, far more complicated than the outside of the cow. How much more can we know that there is an intelligent creator that designed that cow? He designed you too. There is a God. Just like you would never believe that this picture of the cow came about by accident. All the more you would never want to believe that the much more complex cow inside came by accident. It was created by God. Now remember that I told you that I would share how you can get a cow like this? I found a place online that had a cow like that. I don't know if they still have it. Now, I am not in any way, shape, or form associated with them. I don't know anything about them, but I'll leave the link below in the description. I would contact them and find out if they still sell them. Now, something you can get for free. A free subscription to this channel. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. God bless you. Bye-bye.